Welcome to Automotive Reviews TV, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of the most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're taking a closer look at a unique and powerful machine, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome RV. This is not just your average recreational vehicle, it's a bold fusion of rugged off-road capability, modern luxury, and cutting-edge technology, all packed into a mobile home experience. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a luxury traveler, or someone who simply wants the best of both worlds, this might be the RV that changes everything you thought you knew about travel. Let's start with its commanding presence on the road. The exterior design of the 2026 Hummer Motorhome RV is nothing short of stunning. It carries the unmistakable DNA of the Hummer brand: aggressive stance, boxy muscular shape, and wide wheel arches. But now, it's been stretched and upgraded. Into a full-sized RV, it sits on an extended Hummer EV truck platform, giving it incredible ground clearance and off-road geometry. The bold LED lighting, including a full-width light bar in the front, adds a futuristic flair, while the heavy-duty roof rack's retractable steps and solar panels on the roof offer real-world functionality for those long trips into nature. The matte finish paint, rugged skid plates, and massive off-road tires complete the look of a vehicle built to dominate any terrain as you step inside. The experience only gets better. The interior of the 2026 Hummer Motorhome RV feels more like a luxury condo on wheels than a rugged off-roader. The cabin welcomes you with premium materials, including natural wood accents, vegan leather upholstery, and ambient LED lighting. The layout is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with every inch optimized for comfort and utility. You'll find a full kitchenette equipped with a smart induction cooktop, a deep sink, compact refrigerator, and even a convection microwave. Across from the kitchen is a convertible dinette area that comfortably seats four and transforms into an additional sleeping space. The main sleeping area is located in the rear, featuring a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead storage, and smart lighting that adjusts based on the time of day. There's also a fully enclosed bathroom, with a shower, toilet, and vanity, something many RVs in this size category skimp on. The air conditioning system is fully electric and ultra-quiet, and the built-in water purification system means you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing convenience. Now, let's talk performance. And this is where the 2026 Hummer RV really breaks new ground. Built on GM's Ultium EV platform, it offers up to 1,000 horsepower with dual or tri-motor configurations. That's right, this RV can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, which is unheard of in this class. The battery pack provides a range of up to 400 miles on a full charge, and fast charging capability allows you to get up to 80% battery in just 40 minutes at compatible stations. Despite its size, the Hummer RV handles surprisingly well, thanks to its adaptive air suspension and four-wheel steering system, including crab walk mode for tight off-road situations. The technology suite is just as impressive. A massive 17-inch infotainment display dominates the dashboard, paired with a 12-inch digital driver's cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with 5G connectivity, a built-in hotspot, and voice command controls. The RV also includes advanced driver assistance features like Super Cruise, automatic lane change, adaptive cruise control, and even an AI-assisted parking system specifically designed for RVs. Off-roaders will appreciate the multiple camera views, terrain modes, and the digital trail mapping system. Now let's talk numbers. Pricing for the 2026 Hummer Motorhome RV starts at around $195,000 for the base model. But with popular add-ons like solar expansion, upgraded off-road tires, a premium sound system, and extended range battery pack, the fully loaded version can reach up to $230,000. While that's definitely a premium price tag, getting an unparalleled combination of performance, luxury, and capability in a single package. Plus, with federal EV tax incentives and potential solar rebates, the actual cost could be a bit lower depending on your location. In conclusion, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome RV is a bold new step in the evolution of electric travel. It redefines what's possible in the RV space by combining cutting-edge electric performance with the comfort of a high-end home and the off-road credibility of a true Hummer. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or full-time van life, this vehicle promises to take you there in style, comfort, and power. Thanks for joining us today on Automotive Reviews TV. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting vehicle reviews coming your way.